Hey heat printers, welcome back to the Transfer Express channel. I'm Mia and today we're getting into something really exciting. And if you are serious about building your apparel decorating business, then you're gonna love this. This is the new Transfer Express Success Kit. We combined our marketing kit and application kit into one complete system, so you don't just learn how to press, you get the tools to market your business and sell successfully. Today I'm walking you through exactly what's in the kit and why it matters for your business. Let's get into it. The biggest challenge for new decorators isn't pressing, it's confidence. Confidence in choosing the right transfer, placing designs correctly, pricing jobs, speaking to customers, and presenting their business professionally. The Success Kit was built to remove that uncertainty. Instead of piecing together tools, templates, charts, and sample products on your own, everything is here for you, organized and intentional. In this kit, you're getting full-size transfers, not just tiny swatches. Here we have Ultra Color Max, Ultra Color Pro, and goof proof. You can actually press these. You can feel the difference, you can see the finish, and you can show these to customers. And the best part is, these are white labeled. That means when you show them off, they represent your business. You're not promoting anyone else's brand, you're building yours. You also get 2 tees and a tote. Now these are not just random extras, these are your first samples, and samples are everything in this business. When customers can touch, feel, try, and see just how vibrant your product is, your chances of closing the sale increase drastically. And with this kit, now you have something physical to show off. You also get a placement guide t-shirt. Now this is one of the most underrated but powerful tools in the kit. The placement guide shirt already has Ultra Color Max applied correctly, so this is going to become your visual reference. If you ever question sizing or placement, you look at this shirt. And when customers see it, it communicates professionalism immediately. The placement ruler removes guesswork. Instead of eyeballing placement, now you can measure it. Consistency builds credibility. So if you're printing for teams or multiple sizes, this tool alone is gonna save you some mistakes. And mistakes cost money. The color selector makes it super easy to confidently choose colors for customer orders. No more guessing if royal or navy looks better. Now you can physically show the options. The what to use when chart removes confusion. Should you use Ultra Color Max, Ultra Color Pro, or goof proof? Now it's clearly laid out for you. And that clarity speeds up decision making. You'll also get the digital assets postcard. Now this unlocks the full digital kit, and that's where your marketing success comes in. You get the idea book, the pricing guide, the product guide, the fanware guide, blank apparel mockups, social images and videos, the application chart, order forms, and what to use when. With the image sizing chart, there's no more guessing if 9 inches is too small or 12 inches is too large. Sizing consistency is part of looking professional. The names and numbers chart is huge for sports and personalization. Instead of guessing number, size, and placement, it's standardized. The order form instantly upgrades your intake process. Professional businesses don't take orders through messy DMs. They use structured forms, and this tool helps you start that habit early. You don't just need to know how to press. You need pricing structure, marketing visuals, social media content, product ideas, and professional mockups. These assets help you attract new customers, not just fulfill orders. The Success Kit accelerates your learning curve. Instead of spending months figuring it out through trial and error, you can start with structure. And the most powerful part is that everything is white labeled. That means you're building your brand, you're presenting your business professionally, and you're not advertising for someone else. With the new Transfer Express Success Kit, you now have samples to show, tools to measure, charts to guide you, marketing assets to promote, professional intake forms, and clear pricing guidance. And that's the difference between hobby and business. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building your apparel business with clarity and confidence, the Success Kit is where you start. Head over to transferexpress.com to get yours today. This isn't just a kit. It's the start of your new business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification so that you never miss an upload from us. Until next time, happy heat printing!